disappears into the night. Maybe I just never knew what it means to feel it true. Or maybe love just slips away, no matter how hard we try to stay. I've seen the way it starts so bright, like morning sun after the night. But even light can slowly fade and leave behind the mess we made. I'm not as young as I once was. I've learned to question what love does. Is it healing? Is it pain? Or just a cycle we explain? I don't need a perfect sign, just something real that won't unwind. Is love real or just a game? Different hearts but same old pain. We hold it close, we let it go, and still pretend we'll never know. Maybe I'm the one to blame for believing in its name. Or maybe love just comes and leaves, like something no one really keeps. I don't need forever now, just something honest here somehow. A quiet truth I don't